Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off parental controls on an iPhone. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Now let's get right into it. You may find that you're restricted or just not allowed to do certain things on your iPhone. This is probably because there are parental controls set up on your device. So, let's dive in and I'll show you how you can turn them off. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app, just like this. Scroll down and look for the option labeled Screen Time. Alternatively, you can use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you've found it, tap on Screen Time. Next, scroll down and look for Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on it like this. Here you'll see a lot of different settings and options. To turn them all off, simply tap on the toggle switch. Now, if a screen time passcode is required, you'll need to enter it. This passcode is different from your device's unlock code. If someone else set this up for you, like a parent, you'll need to ask them for the passcode or have them enter it for you. Once you enter the passcode, it will completely turn off the restrictions. If you want to keep some restrictions, you can modify individual settings. For example, you can go into any option, adjust settings like web content from limit adult websites to unrestricted. Some people might not have a passcode set up, so they can toggle the restrictions on and off without entering a passcode. But if there is a passcode, you'll need to enter it or have the person who set it up enter it for you. And that's it. You've successfully turned off parental controls on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.